Hello everyone, welcome back. Here we have the next question. That is class 10th exercise 1.3 question number 3. Prove that the following are irrational. So here we have to prove that the following questions are irrational. We have the question that is 1 by root 2. So we have to prove this 1 by root 2 is irrational. So first let us assume the contrary, that 1 by root 2 is rational, and here a and b are co-prime. Now here if 1 by 2 is rational, here we can write as it is in the form a by b. So here if we do the cross multiplication, so it becomes b is equal to root 2a. Now a is multiplied by root 2, so it will come on the other side and it will become divide. So it becomes b by a is equal to root 2. So here we can see that b by a is in the form p by q. Then it is irrational. Now the irrational numbers will never be in the p by q form, but here you can see that b by a is in the p by q form. So here we can conclude that b by a is in the form p by q, so it is irrational. Rational. So here but root 2 is irrational. Okay, so this contradiction has arisen due to our incorrect assumption. So here we can conclude that root 1 by root 2 is irrational. And here we have the second question, that is 7 root 5. So here also we have to prove that it is irrational. So let us assume the contrary, that 7 root 5 is rational. If 7 root 5 is rational, then it is in the form a by b. So here a and b are co-prime. Okay. Now here 7 is multiplied here by root 5. So 7 on the other, if it go on the other side, it becomes a divided by 7b. So here you can see a divided by 7b is in the form p by q. Then it is irrational. But we know that root 5 is, this is irrational. rational. Irrational. In our previous videos also we have saw that root 5 is irrational. So we can conclude here that this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. So here we can conclude that 7 root 5 is irrational. And here we have the third sub question, that is we have to find that 6 plus root 5 is irrational. So let's write down. Let us assume the contrary that 6 plus root 5 is rational. Okay, if it is rational, it will be in the p by q form, that is a divided by b. So here a and b are coprimes. And here we'll write it down, 6 plus root 5 is equal to a by b. Now this 6 will go on the other side and it will become minus. Okay, now let's take the LCM. So here 1 and we have here b, and that is a is equal to a minus 6b. So here root 5 is equal to a minus 6b by b. Okay, so here we can write a is equal to 6b by b is in the form of p by q. Then it is rational. But we know that root 5 is rational. So we can conclude that this contradiction has arisen due to the incorrect assumption. So here we can conclude that 6 plus root 5 is So exercise 1.3 question number 3 is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.